A multidisciplinary artist who brings movement, color, and narratives to life. He's a choreographer, mural artist, and theater actor, and the man behind the famous tomb paintings Every Undas to honor his late father. Today, Jay Valencia shares his journey, his art, and the heartfelt stories behind his murals and performances right here on The Hangout. Beautiful day to you, Jay. Welcome to the show. Good morning.
Beautiful day po. Good morning po.
Thank you. Gumising ka na maaga to join us live today.
Yes po.
So, you know, when people look at your social, samut-sari yung laman nun eh. Nandun yung paintings mo, nandun yung dance videos mo, and then yung pagiging theater actor mo. So you wear a lot of hats, a lot of creative hats. How did your artistic journey begin?
Simula po nung bata pa ako, I started dancing na kasi required po tayo mag-dance, di ba?
Oo.
So na-enjoy ko po
PE
siya.
natin yun eh. PE
Yes,
ng lahat
opo.
yun, di ba?
Tama.
Sa
Sa college nga eh.
Oo,
Yes po.
actually. Okay.
So doon po nag-start and then nakita po ng mga teachers ko na isa po ako sa magaling mag-dance nung time na yun. So lagi po madalas po ako nasa center.
Okay.
And then after po that, nung high school, ako din po yung nag-choreo ng mga performances namin and stuff. Mga ganun po. Ako po yung, choreo.
So you were a dancer first and foremost. You dancer ka.
Yes, halos sabay po siya sa dance and sa arts eh.
Ah.
Kasi po, ang favorite ko po na show nun is Art Attack.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, mahilig po akong gumawa ng yung mga stuff niya, yung mga paper mache and stuff. Ganun po. As in,
Sorry, yan yung pronunciation ni Neil Buchanan.
yes, paper mache.
Oo.
Opo. Yes.
Okay.
When we talk about yung fact that, well, ibang-iba eh. There's performative art and of course there's yung visual art.
Yeah.
Normally, people specialize eh.
Opo.
Para sa'yo, gaano ka-importante that you were able to develop both at relatively the same time?
Hindi ko po siya pinlano. Ang before po kasi arts is parang in a way painted na sa mga mayaman lang.
Oo.
Hindi siya for work and parang ano lang po siya, hobby. Tapos usually painted siya sa mga movies na yun nga lang po, hobby lang siya and hindi siya pwedeng pagkakitaan. So ako po, honestly, parang sinuwerte lang po ako kasi hilig ko po talaga yung arts and dancing. So doon po lagi po ako nag-show up sa mga classes and then nagpipaint nga po ako ng mga hilig ko tas pinapost ko lang po siya sa social media. Kaya po, ang first ko po na client is ka-work ko. So nakita po niya nagpe-paint ako.
Oh.
So she asked me to paint the room of her son.
Oh.
Tas yun na po yung start.
Okay, so when it comes to your murals, paano mo chine-choose yung theme? What themes do you usually explore?
Since commercial po yung murals ko, so I asked the client kung ano pong gusto niya. Tapos from there po, doon ako
Then you
nag-start ng mga
create.
yes po.
Oh my, parang ang challenging no kasi you're faced with a blank wall.
Oo.
'Di ba? And then you sketch and then dun nagsisimula yung creative process mo. How long does it usually take? Depende sa size ng what you're painting?
Mga 2 to 3 days po. Before po, mas mabilis pa eh.
Okay.
Wow,
Pero,
okay.
yes po. Akala po actually kapag tumagal pa ako mag-paint, mas bibilis na ako mag-paint. But no, since medyo matagal na po ako sa pagpipaint, mas naging OC na po ako in a way, na parang mas nakikita ko na yung mga details.
Yes.
Okay.
Pero hindi naman po siya nakaka-intimidate. Actually, super special nga po ng feeling na yung client po nagpe-prepare siya ng malaking wall as a canvas for you especially to paint.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so interesting because apart from yung size, it normally yung details as you mentioned. And we're going to go feature 2 of your mural projects here. Siyempre yung isa mas personal, which is actually one of the reasons why you became viral. But of course, we're gonna focus first on one that you made for a client. This one is for a client's rest house. And of course, galing to sa Instagram mo ata. We're going to take a look at it. And when we take a look at the process, we mentioned it a while ago, ito ata yun. When you take a look at the process, yung design, do you work alongside yung client mo? Or is it that binibigyan ka ng prompt and then ginagawa mo?
Yes po. So, tatanong ko po sila kung ano pong idea nila. And then from there, doon na po ako mag-start. So, especially on that, specific client, he asked me to paint a universe. Kasi since dome po yung dome po yung style nung space.
Okay.
So gusto po niya mag-paint ako ng universe, but mas lighter po. Kasi po before that project po, meron po akong pinaint na wall na universe din, pero sa wall nga po siya. So,
Yeah.
and it's a bit dark.
Yeah.
Mas dark, on the darker side.
What
kasi
I like
universe.
about this, parang siyang a children's storybook.
Oo, di
yung
ba?
illustration niya.
Alam mo yung mga
Thank you po.
nabibiling parang light na na
Nasa nasalpak lang doon, oo.
Tapos makikita mo yung star. So parang
Meron pa ba
ganyan. Oo naman, meron pa.
I don't know about that kasi 90s, pang 90s ata lang yun. Eh.
Grabe to! Meron pa nun! Huwag mong pansinin to si Paolo. But hindi ba nakakangawit painting that on the ceiling?
Actually,
Nakakangawit po, but you have to prepare. I usually, may nakita po ako before naglalagay siya ng pillow sa neck pillow. Yes.
neck pillow.
Oh.
Opo. So you have to take a break from time to time para hindi ka
Okay.
masyado mangawit.
How long did it take for you to finish the whole ceiling?
That's 2 days po.
2
2
days
days.
lang? Oh,
2
that's
days.
relatively fast.
Yeah,
ah.
2 to 3 days.
And
Yeah.
this is longer pa than his previous work. Diba? Kasi sabi niya dati, detailed. But of course, we saw what happened in Undas. Nag-viral ka. Parang every Undas, nag-viral ka. Because of what you do
Yeah.
for your father's tomb. Let's talk about yung tradition na to. I think nagsimula to 2011? Tama ba?
Yes, mga ganun po. 2010 to 2011. Yes po.
Okay.
So,
Mga-
anong idea mo dito? Kasi ginawa mong cigarette box yung yung tomb ng tatay mo.
Tapos meron pang parang, the beer.
Oo.
Beer
Yun
logo.
po yung
Naging
mga
pale.
sikat.
Yeah.
Opo, so 2 years after po mamatay yung dad ko, nag-start na po ako mag-paint ng tomb niya. Kasi po, yung talaga nagpipaint po ay nag-aasikaso ng tomb niya, namatay na rin po. Yes, so parang after that, I took the initiative to paint since wala naman po ako masyadong ginagawa every undas. Tapos naisip ko po, since mahilig po ako sa mga unique na bagay, what if i-paint ko ng something different?
Okay.
So nag-start po ako iba-iba, mga plants, mga ano pa po yan, simple lang. Jersey, ginawa ko siyang bola. Yun po yung inspiration ko, kung ano yung mga hilig ng tatay ko.
Oh, that's nice.
And then, ang nag-viral po is, this was pandemic pa mga 2021. So pinost ko po yung, I think that's the cigarette nga po.
Oo.
Yes, yun yung nag-viral.
I mean, obviously, kasi yan no,
Kasi
yan
it's
ata yun.
different. But yung flowers, parang magigets
Gets ko
mo
pa
pa
eh.
eh. Yeah,
Opo,
di ba?
oo.
Pero cigarette, tapos San Miguel beer, di ba? These are parang yung mga hilig nung dad mo when he
Yes
was still
po.
alive.
Opo.
So, you chose to honor him this way. Paano nag-react yung other members of your family?
At first po, my family po, like my mom and my sisters, are very supportive of what I do.
Okay.
And other family members din po naman are supportive. Yun nga lang po, they are more on the traditional side na parang,
Okay.
ba't ko raw po ginagawang Jeprox yung tatay ko. But my dad is Jeprox.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, if your dad was still alive and, or if he could send you a message seeing all these paintings that you have done, what do you think his reaction would be?
He would be happy for sure. Kasi po,
Okay.
before po, actually, ang inspiration ko po for my art, no, not inspiration actually, yung feeling ko po nakuha ko at tamaan ako yung arts from my dad.
Really?
Kasi, oh yes po. Before po kasi nagsa-Saudi siya. So
Okay.
nakikita ko po, meron po siyang mga raming maleta na may mga letters for my mom. Tapos may mga illustration, mga drawings,
Wow.
mga like calligraphy. Hindi pa po calligraphy yung time niya. Pan-lettering pa.
Oo,
Yung
lettering pa
Opo.
tawag doon.
So ang ganda po. So I don't think my dad would hate me or would be mad if I paint something like that. Kasi ganun po yung ano niya, personality niya. I think he would be happy.
And feeling ko matatawa siya na ginawa mong cigarette box yung,
Yes.
yung tomb niya. I mean, when you take a look at yung reaction ng family mo, especially nung naging, well, aminin na natin, bisyo yung iba.
Yes,
Ginawa mo
talaga
bisyo.
siya.
Wala bang violent reaction nun?
Sa lola ko po, yes. Na parang,
I'm sure.
Yes.
Medyo conservative kasi pag
Yes.
older
Oo.
generation,
And I
right?
understand. Pero
yeah.
hindi ko naman po stop. Parang, tatay ko naman po yun
Oh,
eh.
yeah,
Can do
of
whatever
course.
I want.
And it's not like you're disrespecting your
Yeah.
dad's
Yes.
grave, diba? You're
Apo.
actually honoring him in a very creative way. How about the reaction ng people sa cemetery who see your artwork? Wala bang nag-i-inquire kung pwedeng i-paint mo rin
Wala
yung
bang komisyon?
grave? Oo, yung sa
Oo.
kanila.
Ay, wala naman po. natutuwa po sila. Yung mga
Okay.
bata po doon lagi nilang inaabangan eh. Kasi more than 10 years na rin po eh. So, nung una po, syempre wala silang pakialam kasi hindi naman po nga nag-viral pa. So, lalo po nung nag-viral, as in yearly na po nila inaabangan yung painting ko. So, natutuwa po sila. Yes.
But would you be open to painting
Other people.
other people's graves?
Yes po. May mga nag-inquire na po pero wala pa pong natutuloy kasi. For the tomb.
Okay.
Okay.
Opo. Pas, ang tingin po nila actually puro tomb lang yung pinipaint ko. Pero hindi po. Parang naging ganun po yung ano.
Yung niche mo.
Kasi yun yung
Yes.
nag-viral.
Opo.
Yeah.
Well, you know what? Hopefully you have more tombs to paint, to be honest.
I would love to po.
Oo. But it's not just that, right? That's not all he does.
Yeah, that's not all he does, guys. He is a choreographer as well. Kasi nga, pag tumingin ako, like when I looked at your Instagram, yung mga dance videos mo, reminds me a bit of one of our, the people on our prod team, si Jillian, di ba?
Oo.
Puro dance videos. But you own your own dance studio, tama ba?
Yes po.
And you are also a theater actor.
Yes po.
Okay,
I do a
so-
lot of things.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oo nga. Yes, actually. So how do you balance all these things that you do?
He doesn't.
I don't. The answer is I don't. Siguro po, huwag ka na matulog, gano'n.
Ang gandang advice.
Yes, huwag ka na matulog. Ganito po, usually po kasi lalo gantong season, December, sabay-sabay po siya.
Yes.
So, kailangan niyo po siyang pagsabay-sabay, wala pong choice. And I'm very grateful for it po, actually.
Okay.
Kasi po, I manifested this life. Since I love arts, I love dancing, I love painting, acting and singing, yes. Opo. So, parang for the longest time, minanifest ko na po siya and I prayed for it. Tapos
Okay.
ito na po siya sabay-sabay. So, yeah. So, kailangan mo lang po siyang i-absorb and then enjoy the process. And then, time management, kahit wala po ako nun. So, minsan, parang 3 hours, 4 hours lang po yung tulog
Oo,
ko.
kasi very demanding, lalo na pag theater when you're part of the cast, di ba?
Yes po.
Ano yung huling play na...
Ngayon po,
you were
ongoing
casted?
pa po yung Alice in Wonderland.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ongoing pa po siya until, for now, parang hanggang December 14 pa lang po siya. But they're planning to extend the play until February next year. Opo. So this was my second production as an actor.
Okay.
First po akong napasok sa theater sa Borogodoy Stunstoy sa
Yeah.
Newport. Yeah,
Newport.
I was the associate choreographer for that.
And I think you worked with sina Michael Williams as well.
Yes po, si
Yeah.
Sir Michael. Pero for the longest time po kasi, I've been working with a lot of theater people na.
Yeah.
So parang nandun na po matagal na yung pa ako. As in, I've had, like movies, commercials. So
Okay.
parang kilala ko na po sila for the longest time. But I never had the chance to audition kasi nga po busy. In a way.
Busy in a way.
Yes, opo.
Damong ginagawa eh.
Opo, madami. And I love
yeah.
that. Parang, as a millennial, ganun po kasi natin kinukuha yung
Oo.
worth natin. It's bad, pero yes, ganun po siya.
Kasi slasher tayo eh. We
Yes.
need multiple things.
Multidisciplinary nga
Opo.
talaga. But how do you want to be remembered as an artist?
Oh, I want to be remembered as a unique and, in a way, jack of all trades.
Yeah.
The goal is not to be the best, but I want to be remembered as someone who can do a lot of things and enjoy.
Yeah.
Parang, iba po kasi it's a privilege to do what you want and earn from it.
Yeah.
That's
Apo.
true. That
So,
is so
Hindi ka
true.
ba na-burnout though?
Hindi naman po, kasi iba-iba naman po yung ginagawa ko.
Oh, so he's so full of energy and parang what burnout? What sleep?
No, kasi some people, if they do the same thing over and over again, will
That's
burn
true.
out.
Yeah.
And I think he brought up a good point. Yung variety ng ginagawa mo keeps you from being burnt out.
Yes, opo. Parang iba-iba po siyang experience eh. So iba-iba rin pong energy and hats nga po yung sinusuot ko sa different fields. So parang iwas burnout po siya. You get tired and that's part of it.
Yeah.
Pero the burnout, hopefully
Wala
di
pa
naman
naman.
po.
So what's
Opo.
next for you? Any upcoming projects, shows, or murals that we should look forward to?
Oh, still ongoing pa po yung Alice. Wala pa po akong next production after that.
Okay.
Tapos, mga dance classes po sa studio ko. Sa fiction, sa May San Juan.
Where can we catch Alice?
You can catch Alice po sa Repertory sa Eastwood City Walk.
Yes.
Yes.
So the new
Opo.
home of Repertory Philippines.
Yes, opo. We just transferred this year lang.
Yeah.
No. last
Last
year.
year.
Last year,
Yeah,
yes,
sa
last year.
Jepoy.
Oo, with Jepoy.
Apo.
Na-invite tayo dun eh. You
I went there.
You went.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
did not. I'm so sorry. Okay,
Tapos
but
yeah po, you can also catch my classes po sa Instagram, Fiction
What kind
Studios.
of dance do you teach?
I teach fem, hip hop, and then yeah, I'm into whacking right now. Ang dami po no.
Whacking?
So,
What's that?
whacking is a dance po from the 70s. They came from the
Oh my
black.
God, mag-lessons tayo, Paolo, para mag-TikTok tayo. Maganda na
You know
Yes
what?
po.
let's talk about that some other time. Kasi we're running out of time na eh. But then sorry, where can they find Fiction? Where can they reach out to you? Of course, not just for lessons, but of course for future commissions on their tombs.
Oh, sa mga commissions po for murals, they can message me sa Muros by Jay. Same po siya sa Facebook and sa Instagram. Sa dances naman po, you can follow Fiction Studio PH.
Okay,
Fiction
where is
Studio
that?
PH.
Saan yung-
Sa May Wilson, San Juan po. Near Green
Wilson,
Hills.
San Juan.
Yes.
Oh no, malapit lang siya.
4 months pa lang po kami.
Oh, no.
Pao.
Alright,
Please
so oh no, we're out of time. Ann, paano yan? I think we have one last question.
Ay, nako, Jay. Umiiwas lang to sa sayaw. Anyway, we always ask this last question to our guests. Our show is called Beautiful Day, so what makes your day beautiful?
What makes my day beautiful is I get to do what I want, do what I love, spend my time with my loved ones, and then nagagawa ko po yung mga nasa mental calendar ko. Yeah,
I
I
like that.
feel
That is
fulfilled po.
beautiful. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you so much for
sharing your
having me.
stories, your art, and your heart with us today, Jay.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much for joining us.
I love that kasi sabi niya mental calendar. Hindi niya sinusulat. So,
Oo,
hindi
lahat
na,
lang. Ang galing niya
hopefully-
ang galing niya what do you call this? Ang galing niya multitask.
Yes.
There you go. That
hopefully
is
wala
why.
siyang nakalimutan ever.
Jay Valencia, ladies and gentlemen, thank
Thank
you
you
so
po.
much for joining us today.